Have you ever looked in the mirror and noticed that one side of your face looks slightly different from the other? Don't worry, you're not alone. Almost everyone has some degree of facial asymmetry. It's completely normal. But if it's noticeable and you want to balance it naturally, today's video will guide you through simple, effective techniques you can try at home. Stay tuned till the end, because I'll also share pro tips that can make a real difference. What causes facial asymmetry? First, let's understand why asymmetry happens. Common causes include sleeping on one side for years, poor posture like slouching or forward head position, uneven chewing habits, muscle imbalances, and sometimes genetics. While we can't change genetics, we can improve lifestyle, posture, and muscle balance to fix mild asymmetry. Facial exercises to try. Let's start with facial exercises. These help strengthen and relax the right muscles to create balance. 1. Cheek lift exercise. Smile wide and lift your cheeks with your fingers. Hold for 5 seconds. Repeat 10 times. 2. Jawline resistance. Place your fist under your chin. Push down gently while resisting upward with your jaw. Hold for 5 seconds. Repeat 8 times. 3. Eye symmetry exercise. Raise your weaker eyebrow using your muscles, not your fingers. Hold for 3 seconds. Do this 10 reps daily. 4. Mouth stretching. Say O and E in an exaggerated way to improve balance around lips and jaw. Do these consistently for 3 to 4 weeks and you'll start noticing subtle changes. Lifestyle changes. Exercises alone won't help if lifestyle habits are ignored. Here are important changes. Fix your sleeping position. Avoid always sleeping on the same side. Try back sleeping for better balance. Improve your posture. A straight spine and a lined neck reduce asymmetry over time. Chew evenly. Don't always chew food on one side. Train both sides equally. Stay hydrated and eat clean. Dehydration and excess salt can cause facial bloating that makes asymmetry worse. Pro tips and advanced options. Here are some extra tips to speed up results in facial massage. Use a jade roller or gua sha tool to relax tight muscles and increase blood flow. Yoga and breathing. Facial yoga combined with deep breathing reduces tension and balances muscles. Professional options. If asymmetry is severe, treatments like Botox, fillers, or surgery are available, but always consult a certified professional first. So remember, no face is perfectly symmetrical, and that's what makes us unique and beautiful. But with a few simple exercises, posture corrections, and lifestyle changes, you can bring more balance and harmony to your face naturally. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Musktips for more self-care and beauty tips. Comment below which tip you're going to try first.